In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Skip the Dishes app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to use the Skip the Dishes app to start ordering food is to first download the latest version available of the Skip the Dishes app on the Play Store or the App Store. It is going to be under the name Skip the Dishes with no spaces, and it is going to have an orange icon with the word skip. Keep in mind that if you are trying to set up a Skip the Dishes courier account, you have to go through additional steps that I'm not going to be covering in this video. In this video, I'm only going to be teaching you how to use the Skip the Dishes normal app to order food. If you want to make deliveries for Skip the Dishes, you have to download the courier app and follow the instructions on their website. You will have to go through additional steps, present documentation, and be verified. But anyways, if you want to use the Skip the Dishes app, all that you have to do after you download it for the first time is input a valid and legitimate address. You can use the interactive map, and you can add individual apartment or unit numbers and specific delivery instructions. And as long as you add the address, you will be able to order delivery or pickup. So from the home screen, choose between delivery or pickup and use the Skip the Dishes app. You can browse through everything near you. You can browse through category, burgers, Chinese, Korean, etc. And as long as you select any restaurant near you through the latest version of the mobile app with an address properly set up, you will be able to use a payment method to get your order. You will accumulate Skip reward points that can be used to get discounts and special offers inside of the app, as long as you do it all through the app with an account and address properly set up. Like I said, once again, I'm gonna repeat myself. If you want to be a courier, download the courier app. But to order food, all that you have to do is use the latest version of the Skip the Dishes app and set up a valid email address. There is no special sign up that you have to do. Simply download the app and set it up with an address. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Skip the Dishes app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.